the swimmers. Stay on the side, stay on the side. Side na kayo, swimmers, side. Lane 2, lane 2. Lane 2, ice jet, lane 2. Side lang. Thank you, Marks.
Ready right now for event number 10, elementary girls, 100-meter backstroke, skating on Lane 2 Anderson. Innocence Veronica, City 5. Lane 3, Bastante Gail Yasi, City 4. Lane 4, Usman Daniel Allison, City 7. Lane 5, Nancy Vidal, Jillian Saline, City 7. Lane 6, Baranga Andrea Lee, City 4. And Lane 7, Alcantara, Diana Rich from City 5. Calling swimmers for event 13 and event 14. Please proceed to the ready bench now. Calling all swimmers for event number 13 and 14. Please proceed to the ready bench now.